Today, we will examine the all-new 2026 Lexus UX, which is a refined and updated version of the compact luxury crossover from the Japanese automaker. The UX, Lexus's smallest SUV, was initially introduced in 2018 and quickly established a following among urban residents and younger purchasers who desired a blend of advanced technology, fuel efficiency, and premium design. In 2026, Lexus will continue to expand upon the assets of its previous models by providing more efficient powertrain options, enhanced interior features, improved performance, and refreshed styling. The UX adapts to the evolving needs of contemporary consumers who seek both luxury and commonplace practicality while maintaining its compact proportions. The Lexus UX is fundamentally designed to provide the essence of a Lexus in a more compact, cost-effective form. As a gateway into the Lexus SUV family, the 2026 model firmly establishes its position in the lineup. The UX's modern styling, confident driving dynamics, and premium features continue to make a significant impression despite its compact size. Lexus has not only updated its appearance but also implemented modifications that improve its environmental sustainability, comfort, and utility with this refresh. We will delve further into the factors that render the 2026 Lexus UX a compelling choice in the competitive luxury subcompact SUV market. The latest incarnation of the UX is engineered to meet the needs of both seasoned Lexus customers and new purchasers who are new to the luxury vehicle market. This is evident in its refined performance characteristics and redesigned exterior styling. The UX 300 hours hybrid and the UX 250 hours AWD are the two primary powertrain options available for the 2026 Lexus UX, beginning with performance. To accord with its overarching strategy of promoting electrification, Lexus has elected to concentrate solely on hybrid propulsion for the current model year. This implies that both versions of the UX are equipped with a sophisticated hybrid system that effectively balances fuel efficiency and performance. The UX 300 hours is equipped with a continuously variable transmission, 2 electric motors, and a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine. This powertrain configuration is intended to offer a seamless, effective driving experience while simultaneously supplying sufficient power for both highway and city travel. The hybrid system's combined output is approximately 196 horsepower, a slight increase from the previous version. The additional horsepower is not solely for numerical purposes. It also enhances the overall driving experience, particularly during highway merging and acceleration. Lexus's most recent 5th-generation hybrid technology is implemented in the hybrid powertrain, which enhances both efficiency and responsiveness. One of the UX's most notable qualities is its fuel economy. Depending on the specified trim and traveling conditions, drivers can anticipate an estimated 43 miles per gallon in the city and approximately 41 miles per gallon on the highway. The UX is one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its class, which is a compelling argument for eco-conscious customers who are not willing to sacrifice luxury. For those who require all-wheel drive capability, the UX 250 hours AWD is equipped with a third electric motor that is situated on the rear axle. This motor is capable of supplying electricity to the rear wheels when necessary. This system enhances traction in mild off-road conditions, snow, or rain by engaging automatically and seamlessly. Although it is not designed for severe trail driving, the AWD system increases the UX's overall versatility and provides additional confidence in inclement weather. The UX's suspension system has been optimized to achieve a harmonious equilibrium between agility and comfort. The vehicle navigates urban streets with ease, maintaining its composure despite the presence of potholes and uneven surfaces. The UX is perceived as agile and secure on winding roadways due to its compact size and reduced center of gravity. The steering is precise and provides a well-balanced sensation that provides positive feedback. For 2026, Lexus has implemented enhancements to the electric power steering and rear suspension, which serves to enhance travel comfort and cornering stability. The driver can customize the vehicle's behavior to their liking by selecting from driving modes such as normal, eco, and sport. In eco mode, the throttle response and climate control are adjusted to optimize fuel efficiency, while sport mode enhances responsiveness and acceleration. These modes are readily accessible and contribute to the overall driving experience. The UX 300 hours, a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, employs an Atkinson cycle to enhance thermal efficiency. Consequently, we will now focus on the engine and powertrain components. It is connected to 2 motor generators and a compact lithium-ion battery cell that is situated beneath the rear seating. This design not only reduces the center of gravity but also maintains cargo space. Power delivery between the gas engine and electric actuators is intelligently managed by the hybrid system, which leads to a composed and silent ride. The transmission is a continuously variable transmission (CVT) that has been programmed to simulate gear changes in order to provide a more authentic driving experience. Despite the fact that it is not a performance SUV, the CVT facilitates a seamless linear power delivery that is optimal for urban travel. The transmission maintains a refined character while operating at higher velocities, thereby reducing engine noise and vibration. The levels of noise, vibration, and harshness (NVH) have been closely monitored by Lexus engineers. Even at highway velocities, the cabin remains quiet due to enhanced door seals, an acoustic windshield, and additional insulation. These enhancements assist in the preservation of a premium experience that is comparable to that of larger, more expensive SUVs. The 2026 Lexus UX boasts a compartment that is both contemporary and inviting when it comes to the interior. In order to conform to its present design aesthetic, Lexus has implemented numerous interior modifications. The dashboard boasts a thoughtful configuration that positions all controls within easy reach, soft-touch materials, and clear lines. A newly updated 12.3-inch infotainment interface, which replaces the older touchpad-controlled system, serves as the focal point of the cabin. The screen is mounted closer to the driver, resulting in enhanced graphics, quicker response times, and wireless smartphone integration. Amazon Alexa compatibility is included, as are Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In addition, Lexus incorporates a digital gauge cluster and a color head-up display in its higher-end models. These features contribute to a tech-forward cabin ambience and increased driver awareness. The system now supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that the UX remains current with the latest software and voice commands are more intuitive. Additionally, the convenience of the seat has been enhanced. The UX boasts redesigned front seats that offer superior support during extended journeys, while simultaneously maintaining a compact profile to accommodate rear seat legroom. The seating materials are synthetic leather in base trims and genuine leather in higher trims. Heated and ventilated functions are available as options. Ambient illumination, dual zone, automatic climate control, and an optional sunroof further improve cabin comfort. The UX provides sufficient space for front passengers, however, taller individuals may find the rear seat legroom to be inadequate. The cargo capacity behind the second row is approximately 17 cubic feet, which is typical for this segment. Nevertheless, the low-load floor and wide aperture facilitate the loading of gear, luggage, or provisions. The cargo area is expanded and flexibility is enhanced by folding the rear seats. Door pockets, a wide center console, and numerous USB-C connections for device charging are strategically positioned throughout the cabin. Additionally, Lexus has implemented minor enhancements to the grade of materials in high-touch areas, including the steering wheel, gear selector, and armrests. The luxury feel of the UX is further accentuated by these details despite its compact dimensions. We will now proceed to the exterior of the 2026 Lexus UX, which has been updated with a modernized design that maintains the original formula while providing a new appearance. The spindle grille has been redesigned to be slightly more streamlined and incorporate a new lattice pattern on the front end. Revised LED headlamps with incorporated daytime running lights flank the grille. The UX is given a more aggressive, focused appearance by the lighting signature, which is more defined and pointed. The compact dimensions and sculpted lines of the side profile remain essentially unchanged. Nevertheless, purchasers are afforded an increased number of customization options through the introduction of new paint colors and wheel designs. Depending on the specification level, the UX provides alloy wheels in either 17-inch or 18-inch diameters. These rims are not only aesthetically pleasing, but they are also engineered to mitigate road noise and aerodynamic drag. The UX rear features updated LED taillights that extend across the tailgate in a continuous light bar. This design element improves visibility and contributes a contemporary aesthetic to the overall design. The bumper has been marginally modified to enhance aerodynamics and provide the vehicle with a wider posture. A sleeker, more sophisticated silhouette is achieved through subtle refinements in body contours and lower trim pieces. The UX retains its urban allure from a design perspective. The vehicle's elevated ride height and SUV proportions offer a commanding view of the road, while its compact dimension facilitates maneuvering in congested urban areas. The vehicle's dimensions are virtually identical to those of previous years, ensuring that it continues to fit comfortably in the majority of parking spaces and garages. Lexus has consistently prioritized safety, and the 2026 UX is no exception. The Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which comprises an extensive array of driver assistance features, is included as standard with the vehicle. These consist of adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign recognition, and pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are also included in the array. Lexus has further refined the radar and camera systems to improve their performance in low-light conditions and improve object detection. The lane tracing assist has been improved to more accurately follow curves and lane markings, while the adaptive cruise control now provides gentler acceleration and deceleration. These enhancements contribute to the reduction of driver fatigue and the enhancement of overall confidence while operating a vehicle. The 2026 UX will be available in a variety of customization levels, such as the UX 300 Hours Premium, UX 300 Hours S Sport Design, and UX 300 Hours S Sport Handling for buyers. Each trim introduces incremental styling elements and features. For instance, the S Sport grades feature sportier exterior elements, performance dampers, and enhanced interior features, including bolstered seats and aluminum pedals. An adaptive variable suspension is also included in the F Sport Handling version, which enhances ride quality and handling by adjusting damping forces in real time. The 2026 Lexus UX is priced at an estimated $37,000 for the entry UX 300 Hours Premium. The F Sport Design variant is anticipated to debut at approximately $39,000, while the F Sport Handling model, which is the highest tier model, could reach $42,000 with optional packages. The UX is priced competitively in the luxury compact crossover market, providing a strong value when considering the level of equipment and efficiency. In summary, the 2026 Lexus UX expands upon its robust foundation by incorporating deliberate modifications that improve its allure in the luxury compact crossover market. The UX continues to provide a premium experience in a manageable size, thanks to its refined interior, updated technology, sleek exterior revisions, and enhanced hybrid performance. The new UX offers a compelling combination of style, efficiency, and luxury that caters to the needs of contemporary drivers, whether it is utilized as a daily commuter, a city transport, or an entry point into the Lexus brand. The Lexus UX of 2026 is a luxury compact crossover that has been painstakingly updated and refined, further solidifying Lexus' reputation for premium design, smooth driving dynamics, and quality. The UX has been a popular choice among drivers who value the combination of premium amenities and city-friendly dimensions since its initial release in 2019. Lexus has updated the UX for 2026 to include an array of new technologies, enhanced powertrains, and refreshed styling. The goal is to maintain the crossover's competitiveness and modernity in comparison to other premium compact SUVs. Initially, it is crucial to comprehend the significance of the Lexus UX within the Lexus portfolio. It is the smallest SUV in the brand's lineup, ranking below the NX, RX, and the larger GX and LX models. Urban residents and those who desire the elevated driving position of an SUV without the heft that complicates maneuvering in constrained spaces have consistently been drawn to this compact footprint. Although the UX is smaller in size, it has consistently maintained the luxury details, considerate ergonomics, and overall sense of refinement that customers anticipate from the Lexus brand. The UX was updated by Lexus with a focus on several priorities in 2026. The model's designers and engineers sought to enhance fuel efficiency, refine the compartment to enhance comfort, technology, and perceived quality, add a touch more horsepower under the hood, and give the model a more modern exterior character. The refreshed UX is equipped with a new infotainment system, a new engine, fresh styling elements, and supplementary safety features, all of which are designed to achieve these objectives. The new powertrain is the initial point of discussion when discussing the performance of the 2026 Lexus UX. In previous years, the UX was available with either a naturally aspirated four-cylinder or the hybrid configuration of the UX 250 Hours. In 2026, Lexus has elected to replace the outdated gasoline-only engine with an updated hybrid system that will be standard on the majority of grades. Additionally, a new plug-in hybrid variant will be introduced for drivers who desire an even greater degree of efficiency. The standard UX 300 Hours is now equipped with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and a revised hybrid electric propulsion system that incorporates more compact and efficient electric motors. This configuration generates a combined output of 196 horsepower, which is a rise from the 181 horsepower of the previous generation. Although this is not a significant increase, it does offer a marginally more powerful acceleration experience. Lexus asserts that the UX 300 Hours can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 7.8 seconds, a commendable performance for a compact luxury hybrid crossover. The UX 450 Hours Plus, a new plug-in hybrid variant, is based on the RAV4 Prime's underlying technology. However, it is designed to maintain the fluidity that Lexus drivers anticipate by delivering a more refined character, slightly lower overall output. The UX 450 hours Plus is capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.5 seconds, thanks to its 220 horsepower. This model provides an estimated 35 miles of all-electric driving range in addition to its superior performance, which is attributed to its larger battery capacity. This plug-in capability will be a significant advantage for urban commuters or drivers who wish to complete brief journeys without consuming any gasoline. All 2026 UX models are equipped with an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission, which is intended to provide a seamless power delivery rather than the stepped gear changes of a conventional automatic, irrespective of the version you select. For the majority of drivers, this results in a smooth and silent acceleration, particularly in urban areas where the hybrid system can rely on electric propulsion. An electronic all-wheel drive system is also available as an option on the hybrid variants. This system employs an electric motor mounted at the rear axle to provide supplementary propulsion when required, in contrast to mechanical all-wheel drive systems, which rely on a drive shaft to connect the front and rear wheels. This electronic configuration reduces weight while still providing confidence in treacherous conditions. Lexus has recalibrated the system for 2026 to enhance control and provide a faster response during inclement weather. Lexus has made efforts to enhance the ride and handling balance of the UX, which has consistently been distinguished by its exceptional driving dynamics in comparison to numerous other compact crossovers. The suspension was retuned by engineers to enhance body control and provide a more composed ride on uneven pavement. The front MacPherson strut and rear trailing wishbone suspension configuration have been updated with revised absorbers and bushings to mitigate harshness while maintaining the UX's agile nature. With a variable assist system that becomes firmer as velocities increase, the steering sensation remains precise. The UX is agile in urban streets and parking spaces due to its compact dimensions and narrow turning radius. The UX remains one of the more gratifying entries in this segment for customers who value a comfortable yet responsive drive. In terms of fuel efficiency, Lexus anticipates that the standard UX 300 hours will achieve 42 miles per gallon combined, which represents a modest improvement over the previous model. The plug-in hybrid UX 450 hours Plus is expected to achieve a combined fuel economy of 38 miles per gallon in hybrid mode after the battery has been depleted, and an estimated 90 mpg when operating in electric mode. The UX lineup is among the most efficient luxury crossovers currently available, making it appealing to both environmentally conscious drivers and those who wish to reduce petroleum costs. These figures are indicative of the UX's exceptional efficiency. With regard to the exterior, the 2026 Lexus UX undergoes numerous design modifications to preserve its youthful nature. The coupe-like roofline and robust fender flares that have defined the model since its introduction are still present in the overall silhouette. Nevertheless, Lexus designers have implemented a revised front fascia that features a more sophisticated spindle grille pattern that includes a three-dimensional lattice effect. The grille design is slightly wider at the bottom, which establishes a more robust visual foundation. The grille is flanked by slender LED headlamps that are adorned with new daytime running light signatures that form an elegant L-shaped motif. These updated headlamps not only appear more pronounced, but they also offer superior illumination due to the adaptive high beams that automatically adjust to prevent other vehicles from being blinded. The lower front bumper elements have also been redesigned with larger side intakes, which contributes to the overall sporty appearance. The UX maintains its pronounced tire arches and sculpted body lines along the side. The 2026 model is equipped with new alloy wheel designs that are available in diameters spanning from 18 to 20 inches, contingent upon the trim level. Buyers are now able to select from a variety of new paint colors, such as a vivid ultrasonic blue and a striking celestial silver, which expands their personalization options. The UX maintains its unique nighttime signature by employing a full-width LED taillight bar that extends across the tonneau at the rear. The vehicle's posture is more firmly established as a result of the subtle modifications to the rear bumper and lower diffuser. In general, the exterior updates are evolutionary rather than revolutionary. However, they effectively modernize the UX's styling to make it more distinctive in a congested market. Lexus has made a substantial investment in improving the technology experience and perceived quality within the compartment. The UX interior has consistently been recognized for its high-quality materials, considerate ergonomics, and serene atmosphere. These assets are both preserved and enhanced for 2026. The updated infotainment system is one of the most significant enhancements. The Lexus Remote Touch interface, which was previously equipped with a touchpad controller, has been discontinued. In its stead, all UX models are now equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen display that is centrally affixed and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In response to feedback from proprietors who desired a more straightforward technological experience, the new system is more intuitive, user-friendly, and speedier. The digital instrument cluster has also been updated to include configurable display options and vibrant graphics. Traditional analog-style gauges or a more contemporary digital layout are available to drivers. A color head-up display is available on higher variants, which projects critical information onto the windshield, including speed, navigation directions, and safety notifications. The quality of the material has been enhanced through the implementation of new decorative inlays, gentler touchpoints, and more luxurious upholstery options. Depending on the specification level, Lexus provides a selection of upholstery surfaces made of either new-luxe synthetic leather or genuine leather. The sense of luxury is enhanced by the introduction of new color combinations such as birch with black accents or rich cream with open-pore wood trim. Seating comfort continues to be a standout feature, with supportive front seats that feature heating, ventilation, and power adjustment with memory settings. The rear seat space is sufficient for a compact SUV, providing sufficient room for two adults to settle comfortably. However, taller passengers may experience some restriction in legroom during extended journeys. The cargo space behind the rear seats remains consistent at approximately 22 cubic feet, making it adequate for weekend luggage or provisions. The cargo area can be expanded by folding the rear seats flat when necessary. Especially during nighttime journeys, ambient illumination with customizable colors contributes to the establishment of an atmosphere. The UX continues to provide a premium Mark Levinson audio system as an option, which delivers rich sound quality through a dozen speakers that are strategically located throughout the interior. In terms of safety, the 2026 UX is equipped with the most recent iteration of Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 as standard equipment. Pre-collision braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist to assist in centering the vehicle, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert comprise this suite of driver assistance features. The new system also incorporates proactive driving assist and traffic sign recognition, which can gradually adjust steering and braking to help maintain a safe distance from other vehicles or pedestrians in certain scenarios. A hands-free power tailgate, rain-sensing wipers, a digital rear-view mirror that offers an unobstructed view behind the vehicle, and an optional panoramic glass roof that allows for increased natural light are all included in the list of additional convenience features. The driving experience continues to be one of the most significant aspects of the UX. The cabin is tranquil and isolated from the majority of road noise, regardless of whether you are traveling on the interstate or navigating congested city streets. The UI's refined character is complemented by the fluidity of the CVT, which delivers torque instantaneously from a stop. The steering is both precise and lightweight, and the suspension effectively mitigates the majority of pavement imperfections without imposing any discomfort on the passengers. When it comes to pricing, Lexus has ensured that the 2026 UX remains competitive in the premium compact crossover market. The base price of the UX 300 hours is anticipated to be $38,000 prior to destination charges, while the luxury variant, which is more well-equipped, will be closer to $43,000. The beginning price of the new plug-in hybrid UX 450 hours Plus is approximately $48,000, with completely equipped models approaching the mid-$50,000 range. The UX remains a compelling value proposition in its segment due to the high level of technology, opulent appointments, and fuel efficiency it provides. In conclusion, the 2026 Lexus UX introduces deliberate modifications to a well-established formula. Its modern, confident appearance is a result of its revitalized designing, which remains cohesive and recognizable. Stronger performance and enhanced efficiency are the benefits of the upgraded hybrid powertrain. Inside, the compartment is more technologically advanced and opulent, thanks to a new infotainment system that is finally on par with competitors. The driving dynamics are designed to achieve a balance between comfort and agility, while standard safety features guarantee a sense of security. The UX remains a compelling choice for buyers who are in search of a compact luxury crossover that is both refined enough for extended journeys and simple to live with in urban settings. Lexus has succeeded in enhancing the user experience UX in a manner that will captivate both current and prospective consumers who desire the efficacy of a hybrid or plug-in hybrid without compromising quality, comfort, or style. The 2026 Lexus UX is a refined and updated iteration of the brand's smallest luxury crossover. The UX is a compact vehicle that is engineered to provide drivers with a premium driving experience and a seamless ride. It continues to provide modern technology, efficiency, and convenience. In order to preserve the contemporary feel of the user experience, Lexus has implemented numerous revisions this year. The initial significant modification is the uniformity of a hybrid powertrain across the majority of specification levels. The UX 300 hours generates a total of 196 horsepower by combining a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor. This represents an enhancement over the preceding iteration as it provides enhanced fuel efficiency and faster acceleration. The UX can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 7.8 seconds, which is impressive for a compact hybrid crossover. Lexus has introduced a new plug-in hybrid version, the UX 450 Hours Plus, for those who desire even greater performance and electric driving capabilities. This model generates 220 horsepower and an estimated 35 miles of all-electric range by employing more potent electric motors and a larger battery. It can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.5 seconds. The plug-in version is an ideal choice for drivers who have brief daily commutes and prefer to avoid the use of petroleum whenever feasible.